Ever had a PDF you wanted to fix? Maybe change a word, swap an image, or update some details. But you didn't have the right software, which is free with no watermark. That software is none other than Canva. Canva actually makes this really easy. And in this video, I'll show you how you can edit a PDF step by step. All right, let's start from the beginning. Go to canva.com and log into your free or paid account. Both works fine. On the home page, you'll see a button in the top corner that says Create a Design. Click on that, and you'll get an option to upload a file. Choose your PDF, or if it's easier, just drag the file from your computer and drop it right onto the Canva screen. Once the file uploads, Canva takes a few seconds to process it. When it's ready, you'll see it in your recent designs. Click on it, and now your PDF is open inside the Canva editor. From here, you can pretty much edit it like any other Canva design. Let's fix the text first. Canva breaks everything into little text boxes, so just click on the part you want to change. Double-click to highlight it, then type in whatever you need. You can correct mistakes, add extra info, or delete things you don't want. Up above, you'll see options to change the font, size, or color. And if you need to add new text, just use the Text tab on the left and drop in a heading, subheading, or body text wherever it fits. Now about the images. If you want to replace one, click it, press delete, and add a new picture. You can upload something from your computer or search Canva's free library and pick one that works. Resize it, move it around, and position it the way you like. If you'd rather keep the original picture but adjust it, just click on it and choose Edit Photo. That opens up tools where you can crop, flip, adjust brightness and contrast, or add filters. Once you're done making changes, you'll want to download the file. In the top right corner, click the Share button, then pick Download. From there, choose whether you need a standard PDF for sharing online or a print quality one if you're going to get it printed. With Canva, you don't need any complicated software just to make a few edits to a PDF. This was helpful. Stick around for more Canva tips and tutorials.